Hey everyone, today I'd like to show how to set up FFmpeg module properly. Since I've created some tools that are using this module, I think it's necessary to uh, add some explanation on how to set up the module. Okay, there's a lot of information on the web how to install it properly, but I decided to have my own explanation on my page. So there'll be no questions like why this tool is not working. Okay, so here we have our explanation, which is clear, and some links to the videos. And so here we have our link to our FFmpeg website, where we checking the Windows version, and we're clicking on this BTBN version, and which will send us to the GitHub, to the releases page. And here we have our latest Windows version, which by clicking will download the archive version of the latest FFmpeg module. Then we're extracting our FFmpeg module to into a separate folder, and here I'm copying all the folders inside of the archive. Okay, and then I'm going to my C drive, and I'm creating a custom folder FFmpeg, and I'm pasting all the folders that I've copied from the archive. Now we need to set up the system environment variable, so it could easily access to the FFmpeg bin folder. Okay, so in my case I have a Russian interface, but visually I think it will be clear. So I have here additional settings, extra settings. So here we have our variables section. Okay, and here we have a custom variables and the system variables. So we need here a pass variable, and we would like to add some extra paths. So here I have my FFmpeg bin folder installed. So how you do that? You simply create a new path, and then we copy that path, but like this. We copy all these paths and simply so in here create a new one, and we paste the copied path. Okay, so here I have this one, and then we'll press OK, and now we have our path set up. So if you'd like to change that, to check whether we did it right, we simply go to command line panel, cmd, okay, and we'll type FFmpeg, press enter, and here we have our FFmpeg properly set up, and the variables are working just fine. Okay, so well, I hope I managed the explanation and everything was clear, and thank you very much, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.